Now, there's a new trend taking over North India these days as the city chokes under toxic air of air purifiers that you can wear like a necklace. These are portable devices that promise to offer personal bubble to keep your air space or your breathing space at least clean. But the big question is, do they really work? I did a reality check, spoke to some doctors, spoke to some scientists, looked at research, and also tried it out myself. This is what I found. ये इंटरनेट एडवाइस नहीं, डॉक्टर की एडवाइस है. Pollution is at its peak. Toxic air is going in our lungs. Not much can be done about it, but can you and I devise a toolkit every time the air goes bad? This is what some of the best doctors in the country are telling us. Number one, wear your N95 mask always. I've only taken it off to record this. Also ensure that your air purifiers have HEPA filter, not any other filter.
भारत के बड़े शहरों में वायु प्रदूषण एक गंभीर समस्या बन चुका है. अब पेश है अटोवियो की अत्याधुनिक वेरिएबल एनायंस टेक्नोलॉजी.
If you live in North India or Delhi, you must have seen this little air purifier ad. It's everywhere. But does this really work?
वायु शुद्धिकरण का नया अनुभव करें. अटोवियो एयर प्योरीफायर चुनें.
Let's look at science. Let's look at what research and what doctors have to say about it. First up, how does this really work? What is the technology? It releases a negatively charged ion that they claim attaches itself to pollution particles, makes them heavier and pushes them out of your breathing zone. This in no way is filtering the air. It's simply trying to push the particles away from your breathing zone. We spoke to the company about the research and they shared 3 research papers with us. IIT Kanpur has also tested it. But out of the 3 tests, 2 tests were done indoors. And unless you are an astronaut, you are not wearing this indoors. You won't be able to test it. This is an outdoor product. In that outdoor study, they found roughly 40% reduction in pollution. What about doctors then? Well, Dr. Anurag Agarwal, who is the Dean of Biosciences and Health Research at Ashoka University, he says the device works better for larger particles like in scent smoke, but the evidence is much weaker for typical urban pollution. He also says that for fine particulate matter, a proper N95 mask would clearly be better. We also spoke to a pulmonologist, Dr. Vivek Nangia at Max Hospital, Delhi. He said that most tests for this device were done in controlled environments and that the most toxic particles are smaller than 0.1 microns, which might not be affected by this. So, what's the bottom line? Well, this is no way a replacement for your N95 or N99 mask. This is also not a replacement for your air purifiers with HEPA filter. What this does at best is that it gives you an extra layer of protection when you are walking around in an already purified air. So buy it only for that benefit, if at all. Also remember, when it comes to your body, trust science and doctors, not just Instagram ads.